Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man, we got an easy go here. We don't make a damn what it is, club car, whatever. The problem is the batteries are dead. The charger won't come on. I plug the charger in, it does nothing. So what I got me is I have me a 12-volt charger, and I'm gonna hook it to my positive on one battery. I'm gonna hook it to my negative on another battery. All right. Now you can see here I got 7 volts. It's on now. So you don't have to unhook none of the wires to charge these batteries up. Let's say this here. Say you could put it on one battery and just jump it off of one battery. But if I put it on one battery, my charger don't come on. But if I take it and hook it to 2 batteries, you can see my charger light's on and I got 3.2 volts and my charger comes on. But if I take it and hook it back up to this one battery here, but earlier it didn't come on, now it does. See, it's all right, so now it ain't gonna come on. See, the light's off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that negative there. I'm gonna take this positive here and I'm gonna go one battery over there. And you can see now my light comes on. I got 4 volts between 2 batteries. So what I'll do is I'll charge it like that for a little while. And then once it, I'm turning it on, and once it reaches maybe 30% or something, I will take it and just charge that one battery up by itself. All right. But so what I'm trying to say is, say you're trying to charge this battery here, because you can take 12 volts and put it on one battery. Now you don't want to charge it maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on how dead they are, because you can't charge it all the way, because of course it's 8 volts and you're pumping 12 volts to it. But say I put my machine on here to charge this one battery here. It doesn't come on. Well, if I put it on this battery by itself, say this battery kicks the charger on. So what you want to do is use the voltage out this battery to trick it. So you want to charge 2 batteries now. So what you're doing is you're bringing up both of them at the same time. So you're going to put you enough juice in this one where to kick the charger on. And then once you get to a point where you kick the charger on, like before, it wouldn't come on the back one. So I'm going to take it, kick it over there. Let's see if it comes on. All right, now my charger's on. But before, it wouldn't come on that battery. So right there, I just give it enough juice. I use this as a jump start battery to kick this one on. So now I got that one charging. So you don't have to unhook no wires. Now this here is unnecessary. You need to take some water, hose, spray the batteries off. But I just want to show you how to charge the batteries, man. And then once you get up to around 39, 40 volts, the charger should kick on. But let's see what we got here. Now I'm gonna show you this here. I noticed this earlier when I tested these batteries. I'm gonna take my red lead, I'm gonna stick it in my wire here. And I'm gonna take my black lead, and I'm gonna put on this one battery here, my negative. And you can see, if you look right there, I got negative 5.9 volts, negative. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put my black lead in here. Now I'm gonna take my red lead and stick it on the negative, and you can see the negative's gone. So that tells me this battery here is reverse polarity. So that battery doesn't look good. That's why it keeps killing my sets. But I just wanted to show y'all that, man, how to charge the batteries up. If you have a 12-volt charger like I got, this one here does 6 volts. I think it's 6 volts and 12 volts. But I want to say, nah, just it. There you go. 6 volt and 12 volts. Been good to. I'll let you look at the name, man, in case you want to go get you one of them. No, it's not a paid promotion. I have no clue which company this is. Shoemaker. But all right, man, I just want to show y'all that. Show you how to maintain your batteries if the battery dies, because a lot of times, or if you want to, go lithium. Remember? All right, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more, man. Watch another video. If you can't figure it out, go to my other pages, man. Go to my home page, find my phone number, shoot me a text. I'll help you out. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. Y'all keep watching them. Appreciate everybody. Hey, hey, hey.